Here's a 2020 Audi Q3. This Audi Q3 is perfect for going downtown or getting out of town. It's a nimble, compact crossover with the moves to get through congested streets and highways with ease. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, streaming audio, inductive device charging, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, AM/FM satellite radio, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and LED low and high beam headlights. Audi forges sophistication and performance into each iconic vehicle. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.